Yeah, this is gypsum ceiling design, a laminated gypsum ceiling design and installation. And this is how to fix it. This is how to fix it. This is how to fix it. POP, yeah. This is how to fix it, as you can see. You can contact us on 08063098718. Very nice and unique design. We have the imported gold design for the center. The imported gold for the center. You see, very beautiful design. We have 4 design at the center. Very beautiful design. You can contact us on 8063098718. Very nice design for your residential apartments. Very nice design, as you can see. Installation is in progress.